Hello everybody. Today's lesson will be how to do a research project. How to do a research project or the steps of the research process. The steps of the research process. Actually, there are three main steps that should be followed in order to do your research in a perfect and simple way. Doing a research includes number 1, preparing for research. Number 2, accessing resources. Number 3, processing information. Let's start with preparing for research. Preparing for research includes 2 Ds, or what I call DD. Defining and designing. Defining and designing. Defining includes A. Narrowing your topic. And B. Brainstorming. While designing includes A. Planning and B. Organizing or mapping. Narrowing your topic means to define your topic exactly through asking some guiding questions and finding answers for them. One example of a guiding question is: what is the largest language family in Europe and Asia? And the answer is PIE, or Proto-Indo-European. Brainstorming means producing or generating more ideas. How? Through thinking freely and unlimitedly. Let's have an example for the topic Proto-Indo-European. We will have the following ideas. Number 1, the appearance of the term PIE. When, where, why, who and how. When did it appear? Where did it appear? Why did it appear? Who invented it? And how did it come into existence? Another idea: the main members of the PIE, Western and Eastern, or centum and satum. A third idea is: what is Proto-Germanic? Number 4, Hellenic languages. Number 5, Celtic languages. Number 6, Italic languages. Number 7, Baltic Slavonic languages. Number 8, Indo-Iranian languages. Number 9, relationships between languages. And finally, findings or outcomes of your research. Now, let's move together to the planning stage. Planning means to make a plan for your research. For example, what would you write in your introduction? What would you write in your body? And what would you write in your conclusion? The next stage or step is organizing or mapping. In this stage, you are going to draw a graphic organizer or a mind map to organize your ideas more accurately and more clearly. The next step in doing your research is accessing resources. Accessing resources includes A. Collecting data. B. Citation or documentation. And we are going to explain every one individually. Collecting data. In this stage, you have to go to the bookshop and buy some research cards, as the research cards found in this photo. Then, put the information of every source in a separate group of cards. Classify them as what you can see: source 1, source 2, source 3, source 4, etc. Citation or documentation. After writing your information, beside each piece of information, please write down all the information of the resource in the card, including the name of the author or authors, the publishers, the date of publication, the place of publication, the volume number, the page number, etc. This would help a lot in your citation. The next step is processing information. Processing information, and it includes A. Writing and B. Revising. Writing includes copying, interpreting, and analyzing, while revising includes proofreading. Copying. In copying, you can copy directly from your source if you are going to confess it or document it. If you don't document, you'll be accused of plagiarism. Plagiarism. There are many sites to check plagiarism online and others to make your research unique. B. Interpreting. Actually, it's better for you to interpret, explain, paraphrase, or restate sentences than copying them directly. The last and the final stage in doing your research is revising. After finishing writing, you must revise to check your spelling, grammar, structure, ideas, etc. You must also write your references or bibliography in an alphabetical order. Finally, design a cover page for your research, including the title of your research, your name and personal data, such as your class, your university, etc., and the name of your supervisor. I hope that you have benefited from my video. Thank you and good luck. If you admire our video, please click on like, subscribe, then activate the bell icon. Thank you, and we are waiting for your comments.